Luce is a satin slaked lime finish that give a sparkling look thanks to the special ingredients. Tintable with Decora tinting system. Mineral primer is a primer for internal and external surfaces. It is suitable for mineral products. Pour mineral primer in an empty bucket, add 20 to 30% of clean water, and mix mechanically or manually. Proceed with direct application on new surfaces, such as gypsum board, concrete surface, MDF board. Dot primer can be used as a substitute primer. For more information, please consult the technical data sheet. Drying time, 2 hours, depending on temperature and humidity. The fusion of nature and glam unveils Luce. A stunning mottled wall coating that works admirably due to its lustrous feel and legendary shine. Apply Luce with a stainless steel trowel, homogeneously, throughout the entire surface. Create a flat, uniform, marble texture, smoothing out the overlaps as much as possible. Once the first layer is dry, apply a thin layer of Luce through the surface, with a moderate pressure, as shown, and taking away the excess material. Stroking your trowel in different directions, in a delicate movement, compriming the product onto itself. As shown, clean your trowel frequently to achieve a flat, uniform, natural lime finish. The combination of natural lime and modern technology provides a layer of precious metallic luster which allows your space to glisten and reflect with a unique two-tone finish. Turn your indoor space into a glamorous escape with Luce.